Welcome to the demonstration on Jira Jile integration using Kovair Omnibus. Let us consider a business scenario where in an organization, teams are using Jira for their Agile-based development projects and Jile for Agile portfolio. In this demo, we will see how Kovair Omnibus helps the organization to achieve a seamless collaboration between these tools and provide a complete visibility to the management across multiple projects. Before getting into the actual demo, let me first discuss about the demo flow. First, as a member of the team who uses Jira, I will create an epic in Jira and will break down the epic into features. Once this is done in Jira, the epic along with its relationship with features will get synchronized to Jile. In Jile, an iteration will be created and a story will be created against the feature. Once it is decided that this user story will be implemented, the newly created user story will be assigned to the iteration. Once this is done, the story along with its relationship with feature and iteration will be synced to Jira and will be related to the sprint in Jira. Once the story is synced to Jira, it will be assigned in Jira by creating a task for the story. This task of Jira, along with its relationship with the story, will again get synced to Jile. We will also show how any modification done in Jile or Jira gets synchronized between the tools. With this introduction, let me go to Jira. As one of the team member, let me create an epic and provide a name, description, priority along with an attachment. Let me now break this epic into a feature by providing a name, description, priority. I will also relate the feature to newly created epic. Once this is done, now let me go to Jile and see how this epic, feature, their relationship along with the attachments got synchronized to Jile. First, let us have a look into the epic. As you can see, here is the epic that got synchronized from Jira, along with the title, description, corresponding URL of Jira, and the ID of the epic in Jira. At any point in time, users of Jile can use this information to go to Jira and see the details of the record in Jira. It also synchronized the attachment. Let me now show you how the associated feature has also got synchronized along with the relationship with this epic. So as you can see, here is the feature that got synchronized from Jira. Now let me create a story against this feature in Jile. I will create the story with some field values and will associate under this feature. As mentioned in the demo flow, I will now go ahead and create an iteration in Jile and will assign the user story to this iteration. Let me create the iteration by giving a title, start date, end date, and iteration duration. Once the iteration gets created, let me now go to the story and edit the story. In order to assign the story to the newly created iteration, I will assign the newly created iteration in the Program Increment drop-down. Now this iteration, the story, and their relationship will get synchronized to Jira through Kovair Omnibus. Now let me go to Jira. In Jira, we can see that the story has got synchronized and been assigned to the newly created sprint. Now, as the story has been assigned to a sprint, let me create a task against this story and link it to the existing story. This task and its relationship link with story will now get synchronized to Jile. Upon refreshing the Jile story, we can see the task has been synchronized and has been associated with the story. Let me now get into the details of the task. As you can see, Jira task ID and the Jira item URL also got synchronized, which Jile users can use to access the task in Jira. This brings us to the end of this demonstration. Thank you for watching. To know more about Omnibus, visit our website www.kovair.com or contact us at sales@kovair.com.